I have Jordan here, one of our all-star mentees, I'll call it. He's been around for a while. He's done one-on-one mentorship back when we were still offering that. Boots on the ground. He's gotten a deal done through Boots. He's been out to two. Have you been out to one or two ride-along tours?
Two and a half, we'll call it.
Two and a half, yeah. 2.5 tours. So he's definitely somebody who can give you guys feedback, information straight from the horse's mouth on his experience with dealing with boots on the ground, dealing with Brian Grimes, and being around for it's been like 2 or 3 years, I would say. It's been some time. So Jordan, the floor is yours. Why don't you tell, I guess people always want to know, what were you doing before joining the mentorship program? Because you joined as a one-on-one mentee. And guys, we were offering one-on-one for he got the $29.97 deal, which I think was the deal of a lifetime for one-on-one sessions, the course content, everything. But I guess tell people what you were doing before joining. Had you done deals before? Was it all new to you? And what made you take the leap of faith on the program?
Well, first, I want to say he set me up for, I don't know what here, but I'm definitely no all-star mentee, and I'm definitely nobody special here. But I was just sincerely grateful for all the help that Brian's gotten or given to me. And also just super grateful for all the folks in the mentorship program that you can connect with once you're in the program, right? Because it's great to hear from Brian. But it's like, all right, is this guy lying to me here? Is this all marketing? But no, you speak to other folks who've been through the program, who've done the work, who've done the bids, who got the deals closed, and also did the work. And so just kudos to Brian just up front for all that stuff. What was I doing before? So I work in technology, kind of working within the AI space and helping businesses adapt it and deeply ingrain AI into their workflows. I was like, man, this is great. This is a phenomenal industry to be in. This is a great market to learn from in my 20s here. But I need to start thinking about what's next for me and kind of seeking divine alignment. And so glory to God, I actually did actually said a quick prayer. I need to search for a mentor. I did that. And then the first video I saw was Brian's video. Boom, how to invest and where to start your LLC at. I was like, this guy seems like he knows what's going on. He said, boom, Philadelphia, shout out to the city of brotherly love there. And so I was like, man, he said me a lot of great things, gave me some great advice. So I went to the link and set up my one-on-one with him. And then from there, it was like, all right, I need to figure out how to deploy some saved up cash and then put it into a place where it's not just going to lose to inflation, but also into a income producing asset or IPA. And so really it just was all straight to the moon from there. Of course, there were some battles and some bids. I think I put maybe an offer on 10 places or so before I got my first property. But even before then, I was tapped into the videos that Brian has in his course. Definitely worth the investment there. It's kind of doing my own notes and then getting the confidence to start pulling the trigger on some of these offers. So, man, I got lost in the sauce. I forgot the questions, but what was I doing before? Regular day job, which I'm still doing, right? Still learning there. But I think this is a great program because it allows you to bifurcate your approach and figure out, all right, I can still do this data out, but I could also still continue to grow and learn real estate and become the best version of myself through that.